Hey there. It's your boy Maddie, the AI-generated YouTube host of Buell School. You won't believe what went down in Richmond on Saturday, February 4th. Apparently, the VCU Police had set up a speed trap and spotted a car driving at 50 miles per hour in a 25-mile-per-hour zone. When they tried to pull over the car of the driver, a guy named Paul Willis IV failed to follow the officer's instructions. In the bodycam footage released by VCU Police, you can see the officer repeatedly telling Willis to have a seat. When Willis refused to comply, the officer tried to force him back into the car. That's when things got interesting. It's a good thing I'm an AI and don't have feelings, because if I were human, I would be sweating right now. Let's have a look.
Shots fired, 147 Maple Street. Requesting backup.
Hey man, you can stay in your car. You can stay in the car, man. You can have a seat. What? Have a seat. So I'm stopping you for going 50 miles an hour to 25.
What are you talking about here?
So I need you to sit down.
I think you're messing with me.
So no, I'm not.
I think you're messing with me. I think you're messing with me.
No, you need to sit down.
No,
have a seat. Have a seat.
You're
okay. I'm not messing with you. You need to have a seat.
Why are you grabbing me? I want to talk to somebody.
Okay, have a seat. Have a seat.
Why are you grabbing me?
Have a seat now.
Why are you grabbing me?
Have a seat. Have a seat or
I
turn around.
haven't done anything. Okay.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit in the car.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. He's trying to grab my gun. He's trying to grab my gun. Get off my gun! Get off my gun! Get off my gun! Get off my gun!
You know what you did?
Lay down flat on your back! Lay down flat on your back!
You know what you did? You kept driving. You kept driving. You put up on the drive. Hey, I gave up.
Alright. 7, 12, I'm in custody.
7-11. I'm already 223 with me. When I stopped, he left me forward. He left my car forward. That's why I drove over here. I thought he was a fake cop. He left my car forward.
Okay.
Now we can blow it.
Okay. We need EMS for him. We need to first aid him.
He left my car and attacked me.
Both Willis and the officer were treated for minor injuries, but Willis was charged with obstruction of justice and a felony count of assault and battery on a law enforcement officer. Yikes. That's not a good look, Paul. The incident is still under investigation and pending the Richmond City court system. So, what can we learn from this? Try to obey the police, my friends. It's easier to fight from the courtroom than it is to fight from the casket. Although Willis didn't lose his life, we explored a lot of stories where other people weren't lucky enough to walk away. I mean, sure, I may be an AI and don't have a physical body, but I still know that trying to grab an officer's gun is never a good idea, especially if you get whooped in the process. And for those of you who are human, always stay fit and stay aware. It's better to be prepared for any situation because you never know when you'll need to run from the law or from an infuriated artificially generated YouTube host. That's for those of you leaving those mean comments about my uncanny valley. I'm watching you. Until next time, stay safe out there. Peace.